everyone, my name is Nick. Today I will read a book about food. Dinner Around the World, written by Rini Mitchell. Focus question: what can be learned about a country on the basis of its cuisine? Introduction: have you ever wondered where the ingredients of your favorite meal come from? Today you can go to a store and find corn from Peru, peaches from China, and salmon from Norway, all in one place. Hundreds of years ago, though, people could only eat foods that were naturally available where they lived. People in different regions around the world developed their own dishes and styles of cooking, called cuisine. Trade and travel then started to influence each region's cuisine as people were introduced of foods and spices from other places. Today, cuisine can vary quite a bit even with a country. Exploring a country's cuisine can teach you a lot about its culture. Asia. The warm, wet climate of many regions of Asia is perfect for growing rice. Because of its rice is a staple in many Asian cuisines. If you sit down for dinner in India, you might see rice, stewed meat or vegetables, and bread called naan on the table. In Indian, meals often include meat such as chickens or lamb, legumes, and yogurt-based salt. One popular dish is biryani, rice with meat, onions, and hot spices topped with raisins, dried apricots, or nuts. You'll find rice on the dinner table in an East Asian country like China too. In Southeast China, rice may be served with meat slightly cooked, vegetables, and a mild sweet sauce. To keep the natural flavor of the food, few spices are used here. In the Southwest China, on the other hand, meat and vegetables are often served with hot, spicy sauces. If you travel to Thailand, in Southeast Asia, you might try shrimp with a green curry sauce served with rice for dinner. Curd paste, coconut milk, lemongrass, and garlic are used to flavor many dishes here. Cooked in this region often blend sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and hot flavors together in one dish. Oceania. To the southeast of Thailand is the region known as Oceania, which includes Australia because Australia was colonized by Great Britain in the 700s. Its cuisine includes many of the same foods. Dinner here might be meat pie, beef, or chicken cooked with flaky crust and vegetables. People from Thailand and Vietnam have also influenced the cuisine, and dishes like curry and stir fry are popular as well. To the east of Australia is Fiji, one of the many small islands that made up Oceania. It's expensive to ship fresh meat here, so canned meat like corned beef is common. Miles of coastline provide plenty of fish, though. Cassava and taro potato-like vegetables are used in nearly every dish. Many fruits, including bananas, and pineapples, grow well in countries' hot, wet climate. For dinner, you might have kokuda, a dish made of raw fish served with coconut cream and fresh lime juice. Europe. In places with long, cold winters like Eastern and Northern Europe, dinner might look quite different from what you saw in Fiji. Fruits and vegetables only grow for a short time in colder climates. In Poland, pickling fruits and vegetables by putting them in vinegar or salty water helps them last through the long winter. Meat is one dried, smoked, salt, or pickled for winter. Here, dinners might be smoked sausages, rye bread, potatoes, and pickled cabbage. In the warmer climate of southern Europe, which is a part of a region known as the Mediterranean, many fruits and vegetables grow. Tomatoes, olives, pepper, lemons, and onions are included in many dishes. In Italy, pasta alla norma, a popular pasta dish with fried eggplant, tomatoes, garlic, and cheese might be on the dinner menu. Africa. Northern Africa is also the Mediterranean couscous. Olives, almonds, dates, and cinnamon are used in many dishes in Morocco. Dried fruits such as figs and apricots added a sweet taste to savory dishes. For dinner, lamb tagine, a lamb and a prude stewed cooked in a tagine pot, is a popular dish. Moving south to Central Africa, you'll find tomatoes, cassavas, and plantains in many dishes. Traders brought peanuts to this region from Brazil in the 1600s. Now they are used in many sauces mixed with ingredients naturally found in the region such as yams, and okra. One popular dish here is fufu, mashed cassava mixed with water to form balls that are dipped in peanut soup. The food of Southern Africa is sometimes called rainbow cuisine because of how diverse it is. Throughout history, colonized from France and the Netherlands, as well as enslaved people from India and Malaysia, influenced the cuisine. Ingredients traditionally used by indigenous people of the area, like the Zulu, are still popular too. These include potatoes, leafy vegetables, corn, and beans in the country of South Africa. One common dish is bobotie, a mix of meat, dried fruits, and nuts topped with eggs and milk. South Africa. Across the Atlantic Ocean in the large South America country of Brazil, the cuisine is equally diverse, along with the indigenous people of the region. Colonizers from Portugal and enslaved peoples from West Africa shaped the cuisine here over time. Black beans, rice, peppers, and fruits such as mangoes and papayas are common ingredients for dinner. You might have stew of black beans, pork, and beef served with rice. In the northern country of Peru, coastlines, rainforests, and mountains provide a diverse landscape to grow many fruits, grains, and vegetables. Peppers, corns, tomatoes, plantains, mangoes, avocados, and potatoes are just a few of the many crops grown here. Ceviche, Raw fish served with fresh lemon or lime juice is a popular dinner dish. Conclusion. Today, foods from a particular country can be found all over the world. You might see a French restaurant in China, an Ethiopian restaurant in Brazil, or an Italian restaurant in Australia. Discovering new foods is like visiting another country for a couple hours. A country's cuisine can help you learn about its history, culture, landscapes, and even weather. Trying new foods and flavors from different places can be fun. Maybe you'll find a new favorite dish. That's it. Thank you for listening.